Before you ever lift a mop or spray bottle, remember this. Your first impression is your most powerful tool. A smile, a greeting, a positive attitude. These matter as much as your cleaning skills. The way you start a job sets the tone for everything that follows. When you arrive, the client will invite you in and show you around. Pay attention to where they store cleaning products and tools, usually under the sink or in a closet. Ask if there are any priority areas. They might hand you a list or show you what needs extra attention. Always clean those areas first. Now let's say the living room is your first task, but the client is sitting on the sofa. Approach with a smile and say, "Would it be okay if I clean here now? Or would you prefer to move to another room while I work?" Always ask politely. Once the space is clear, begin cleaning. When you finish a room, inspect your own work. Look carefully. Details matter. Before you leave, ask the client to check the property too. This reminds them to pay, and it shows you stand by your work. Clients often check the spots most cleaners miss: behind the TV, over the doors, skirting boards, bathroom corners, and the kitchen. Now let's talk about personal items. Before cleaning any surface, move the client's belongings with care. Place them somewhere safe and organized. Never stack everything on electronics like laptops or tablets. After cleaning, return each item exactly where you found it. This shows respect, and clients notice. To polish a surface, start with a dry cloth. Dust first, then polish. Use a clean cloth for each surface. Never reuse one with leftover detergent. It could damage the finish. For delicate materials like leather, wood, or marble, always use a fresh, clean cloth. Avoid general detergents unless they're specifically approved for that surface. Stick to safe products like Pronto or Mr. Sheen. Doors, frames, and skirting boards. Dry cloth only, no sprays needed. Before cleaning the fridge, take off any magnets. It prevents scratches and avoids misplacing sentimental items. When you throw out rubbish, never toss receipts. Always double-check bags near the bin. Don't throw anything without checking. If you're unsure, ask. Call or text the client. Confirm first. Same goes for food. Even if it looks old, never throw it out unless told to. You're responsible for everything you touch, every object, every surface, every decision. Trust is the foundation of your role. Protect it with care and attention. Doing the job right doesn't take more time. It takes more focus. Respect the space, respect the client, respect the work, and you won't just pass this training, you'll be ready to succeed on the job.